Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading Free video. What's today about? Rebalancing. You know, I got to tell you right now, it's essential to know fundamental news that's coming out. I just can't stress that enough. I like that 3 reasons to do a trade. Well, today one of the reasons was rebalancing. So XLK was rebalancing. And they sold NVIDIA, sold Apple, sold Broadcom. So why did they sell NVIDIA if there was a lot to buy? Because NVIDIA went up for days in anticipation. One of those buy on rumor, sell on news. Why would Apple go down if it was already selling off? Because it was overwhelmed by the amount of stock. The same with Broadcom. Broadcom started selling off 2 days ago. They were overwhelmed by the amount of stock to sell. So these probably will go up next week, and I have no problem trying to play them. But keep in mind that anybody that tells you that all that matters is charts, heck, I've been doing this 43 years, a lot of things matter. And every day those conditions change. So today, rebalancing mattered. Monday, I think we look at this. The ES, unfinished business to the downside. I use prior tops. Prior tops is support. If that doesn't hold, you're talking about here. That's a big move. Right now, the initial move is just prior tops is all at 20 points. That's it. NASDAQ, that's what we're watching. Now, I got to tell you, when I set up charts, I use MACD. I use for daily charts, I'll use a 50 moving average. Intraday, I use a 20 simple moving average and an ATR trailing stop. And the MACD on the bottom, the 310-16 MACD. You can use an RSI, you can use a stochastic. All you want is with these to be on the correct side of the market and these not to buy when they're overbought and not to sell when they're oversold. You're just trying to add your probability of success. What I'm watching for next week is this 4-hour NASDAQ. And I'm watching that MACD. And I'm watching to see if this gets back to the zero line while this still retains this kind of topping formation. If it does, then you have some energy to have another plow to the downside that could definitely fill these gaps. Now, that's a rollover gap. When you go from the June contract to the September on the futures. Now, if you go just to the NDX, you'll see the same thing. You'll see that topping formation. That's not a rollover gap. That's a gap right here from some positive economic news. If this doesn't hold, that's what I'm looking for. Have a great weekend. Take care. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.